Hey guys, it's Saga from TecworkZ and I'm back with another unboxing video. Yesterday, we unboxed the Xiaomi Mi 10 and today we are going to unbox and take our first look at the OnePlus 8. Again, this is not a review unit. I have purchased it from Amazon myself. I went with the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage variant in Glacial green color. This variant is available at 44,999 rupees. I am very curious, at this price, would you guys go with the OnePlus 8 or choose the OnePlus 7T and save 10,000 rupees? Let me know in the comments. Alright, I won't waste any more of your time and get straight to the unboxing. Just like the OnePlus 7T, the OnePlus 8 also comes in this longer box. It just says 8 on top of the box, and on the left side it says OnePlus 8. Let me peel the plastic off the box and then we can take a peek inside. Once the plastic is off, the box itself has a very nice soft touch velvet-like feel. As we open the lid, first thing that we see is the phone itself. I'm just as excited as you guys to check this color out, but I'm going to keep the phone aside for a few moments while we take a look at other things in the box. The phone was sitting on this box, which holds a lot of things, starting with the SIM tray ejection pin, followed by an invitation to join the Red Cable Club. Then there is a leaflet mentioning the SAR values, followed by a leaflet full of stickers. Next, there is some more paperwork like quick start guide, safety information, and a familiar invitation letter from the CEO of OnePlus. After all this, there is a thin, transparent, flexible TPU case, and it says never settle on its back. Under that, there is this red USB Type-A to Type-C cable for charging and data transfer. And finally, we have the 30-watt warp charger. Let me keep all these things aside and let us take a closer look at the OnePlus 8 itself. Once I remove the protective plastic and the sticker from the back, look at how amazing this Glacial green color looks. It changes the shade from teal to green as we look at it from different angles, and I just love the matte soft touch feel of the back. It looks so much better than any of the other reflective glass back phones. The size and weight of this phone is perfect for a single-handed use. By the way, did you guys notice that OnePlus changed the way they write their name and their logo as well? Name of the brand is now written in all caps, and there is a very subtle change of the font for the symbol. Do you like this new branding or do you prefer the older one? Let me know in the comments. While the phone is booting up, let us take a quick look around the device. This frame running around the phone is made of aluminium. At the bottom, we have the SIM tray on the left, a microphone next to it, USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer, and a speaker grill on the right. This SIM tray can hold 2 nano SIM cards one behind the other, and there is no microSD card slot to expand the storage. On the right side, we have the power/sleep-wake button, and above it, there is the alert slider. This has been by far my most favorite feature of OnePlus smartphones right since the beginning. Then at the top, there is just a secondary noise cancelling microphone, and to the left, we have the volume up and down button. At the back, other than the logo and the OnePlus branding, we get a triple camera setup. I like the round camera cluster on the OnePlus 7T, but OnePlus decided to go back to the elongated one like we saw on the OnePlus 7 series phones. Main camera gets the Sony IMX586 sensor with f1.75 aperture and a 25mm lens. This camera also gets optical image stabilization. Next one is a 16MP sensor with f2.2 aperture and a 14mm wide lens. And finally, there is a 2MP sensor with f2.4 aperture and a macro lens. On the OnePlus 7T, OnePlus used the wide lens for taking macro shots. I think they should have done the same thing here and given us a third telephoto lens. Anyways, I will be testing these cameras out rigorously and have a dedicated camera review for you guys in the next few days. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel and have your notifications turned on, because the next few weeks are going to be packed with amazing videos. Coming to the front, OnePlus 8 comes with a 6.55-inch Fluid AMOLED display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels. This display gets Gorilla Glass 5 protection and it is curved at the edges. It supports HDR10+ playback and gets 90Hz refresh rate. I hate the curved edges on any smartphone. Light reflects very weirdly through these curves while watching videos, and there are too many accidental touches because the palm rejection of the software is not perfect. There is a punch hole style cutout on the top left for the 16MP selfie camera. I have not had the best experience with the in-display fingerprint sensor on OnePlus smartphones, and I really hope this changes with the OnePlus 8. Well, setting up my fingerprint has not been the fastest, but I will hold on to my opinion until I use this phone for a few more weeks. From the outside, OnePlus 8 feels like a pretty solid smartphone. On the inside, it packs in the latest and greatest Snapdragon 865 processor coupled with Adreno 650 GPU. You can choose between 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 or 256 GB of UFS 3.0 2-lane internal storage. There is a 4300 mAh battery inside, which should be enough to power this phone for an entire day, and when it is time to charge it up, you get the 30-watt fast warp charger in the box. Although the 8 Pro gets wireless charging, this OnePlus 8 does not get that feature. It is running on the latest version of Oxygen OS, which is built on top of Android 10. Now the user interface of Oxygen OS is one of my favorite ones. I love how simple and minimal it is, while still offering us so many features. OnePlus is quick with software updates as well, so on the software front, I don't think anyone is going to have too much to complain about. You guys know that I have had this phone for less than a day, and that is not enough time to test its overall performance or battery life. But I will definitely have more to say about it in the full review. After having used the Redmi Note 9 Pro, Poco X2 and Mi 10, all of which have 6.67-inch displays, it is a nice change having to hold a relatively smaller smartphone. If you are looking to buy this OnePlus 8, next sale is going to be on 29th May. I will really appreciate if you guys choose to buy it from the affiliate link in the description section. That is it for this video guys. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to the channel for more quality tech videos like this. You can also check out some of the other videos from this channel. This has been Sagar, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.